This is how to convert NotebookLM slides to editable. From your dashboard, select a notebook. You want the slides to be editable. I'll choose this one. Then from your studio panel, choose a slide. Then just click these three dots right here and choose download PowerPoint. Click save and open your PowerPoint slide. And just click enable editing, and you can now edit your NotebookLM slide from your PowerPoint. So this is how to convert NotebookLM slides to editable.